Hello there, YouTube. How you doing? This is the second part of my experiment video with the Monster drink, cleaning my stove, cleaning my oven. It was a horrible mess. Okay, now I'm gonna go into the kitchen. I'm on my way to the kitchen right now, and I'm gonna do my drop light. There it is. There's my drop light. There we go. Now, I didn't make it to the store. I did not go to the store. I repeat, I didn't go to the store. I've been kind of busy. I've been talking to some people that are having a barbecue Monday and Tuesday, or Tuesday, maybe Thursday of this week, and I've just been chitter-chattering a whole lot. And, yeah. So, this is the burner. This is the worst one. As you can see, this is still oxidizing. That's the plate that goes underneath that one goes on first, and that one. And then, of course, all this goes underneath the grate. This is the one that was having the chemical reaction earlier. It was blue. Now it's turned kind of a yellowish green color. Okay, this is one. It's just wrapping up so easy. It's unbelievable. But I'm going to take the time and run to the store and buy another Monster. Come back and just really douse it down good and let it soak some more. As you can see, it's breaking it down right here. Let me see if I can. What in the world was that? It sounded like somebody's shooting a gun somewhere. Maybe they're shooting at me. Man. Okay. This is like the worst sponge in the world. It's called, I can't remember what it's called. It's like the cheapest thing that they had at the dollar store. So, yeah, it's like crap. It's like the worst sponge ever. Worst sponge ever invented. So, yeah, if the worst sponge ever invented can actually, move this, and, yeah. Okay, and here's just a regular shop rag. This is shop rag, okay? And I'm just going to... I'd rather use this towel because I can always squeeze it and, get all the Monster back on there. But, yeah, obviously, I don't have enough. These are really deep wells on this stove. That's why I bought it. The grates, see the grates are those kind that stand up really, big. And I love cooking on gas. There's nothing better than, just cooking with gas is the way. Yeah, I can't stand cooking on an electric stove. But, yes, this is still reacting. See that one? So... I do have this stuff, though. I have some of this. So, I'm going to put that on this thingy right here to get that red out. Because, see, it's not supposed to be red. Here's the other ones like it. And they came out perfect. I didn't touch them at all with the sponge or the rag. See, they're just perfect. Perfectly perfect. Okay? But this one, that's the one that they use the most. And it's really, it's doing something. And this is still reacting. For every action, there's a reaction, right? You learned that in chemistry. This one is really good. It's just, yeah. It won't take hardly anything at all to get that one clean. It's practically clean already. And that little thingy right there is something I made when I was a kid with the loom. Yeah, I loomed it. It says, but yeah, whatever. I don't know what the proper term for that is. But yeah, I made that myself. Okay, and this is, yeah, this is it. It's this kind of Monster drink with the green tab thing on it. That's what it is, and that's what's working better than anything. So, if it's doing all this stuff to the stove, and it already took the paint off the door, already got that wiped off real quick. It was just very little of it. So, yes, it's a paint remover, degreaser, oven stove cleaner. It's better than Easy Off. I'm allergic to Easy Off. So, I usually use the glass cleaner with the lady with the blue skirt on to clean the inside of the oven and stuff. It works really good, especially when there's, like, the glass. Like, it's like that glass, okay? It's a window, so yeah, and I really haven't, I haven't done that yet to this one, but I will use that stuff last. Yeah, I would have used a brake cleaner, but this is a gas stove, and I'm afraid that the fumes, when I go to light it up, it would explode. So, I had to find an alternative, and I accidentally discovered this Monster drink thing. It's just crazy, but I'm not going to tell you, yeah, it's a good cleaner. It's a good degreaser. It's better than brake cleaner. I prefer brake cleaner. I love using brake cleaner on a lot of things. Yeah, it's great. Also, a lot of stuff for cars, pickups, whatever, is good. I even use this stuff sometimes. It's for tires. It's this stuff. Yeah, that. I use that on a lot of things, and it works really good. And it's for tires. It's real strict instructions about, go outside, don't breathe the vapors, blah, blah, blah. Make it sound really scary. But, yeah, it's good, and it's good for a lot of things, Alrighty, well, hey Sam, come here, Sam. You want to see Sam, my cat? No. Come here, Sam. Show yourself. Come on. Kitty. Come here, boy. Come on, Sam. Come on, Sam. You're such a good kitty. Yeah, he's a pretty good kitty. Look at this, Sam. Yeah, Sam, tell him. Don't drink the damn monster drink. You're smart. Sam's a real smart kitty. Yeah, he is. He's smart. Sam's a good kitty. Sam's a good kitty. Sam's a real good kitty. Okay, I love you all. Bye.